In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva with Claude. The first thing you want to do is decide exactly what you're creating before you open anything. This is important because the clearer your goal is, the better Claude can generate useful content for you. You might be making a presentation, an Instagram post, a Facebook banner, a flyer, a poster, an infographic, a resume, a business proposal, an ebook, or a marketing brochure. Whatever the project is, having that direction in mind will make the rest of the process much smoother. Once you know what you want to create, head over to Claude and generate your content. Open Claude and type a detailed prompt that explains what you need. For example, you could ask it to create content for a 5-slide presentation introducing a new fitness app, including a title, key features, benefits, pricing, and a call to action, while keeping each slide concise. The more specific your prompt is, the more organized and usable the output will be. This makes it much easier to move everything into Canva later. After Claude gives you a response, take a moment to refine the content. Don't feel like you have to use the first version exactly as it appears. Review the text and ask Claude to improve it if needed. You can have it simplify the wording, change the tone, add examples, create headings, shorten paragraphs, generate a stronger call to action, or rewrite the content for a specific audience. Keep refining until the wording matches your project and sounds the way you want it to. Next, open Canva and sign into your account. From the homepage, click Create a Design, choose the type of design you want to make, and then either select a template or start with a blank canvas. Templates are especially helpful if you want a faster starting point, while a blank design gives you more creative control. Now copy the text from Claude and paste it into your Canva design. Replace any placeholder text in the template with your own content, and try to keep the layout clean and organized. From there, customize the design by changing colors, choosing appropriate fonts, adding icons, inserting photos, including charts or graphics, and uploading your own images or logo if needed. Try to keep the visual style consistent so everything feels polished and professional. Before you export anything, review the design carefully. Check grammar and spelling, make sure fonts and colors are consistent, confirm that everything is aligned properly, and ensure your visuals are high quality. Also pay attention to readability and spacing, since even strong content can lose impact if the design feels crowded. When you're happy with the final result, click Share, then Download, and choose the file format that works best for your project, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4, or PPTX. If needed, you can also share the design directly from Canva with a team member or client.